really cool. Stay with me, and now I'll show some exercises which help you to open your hips and sit in your feet and keep your balance. So first, what you're going to do, you take up like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and try to change your leg. So push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and open over hip, left leg in the side, and not try sit like that, try sitting like this. Okay, let's try. 1, little bit afraid, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's try keep our balance. So first step, you try sit like this because it's more easy. Okay, after that try take strong your leg and keep your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then try take your leg and keep your balance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that try to sit in this exercise. So if for you it's so hard, you can use the wall like that, and when you fail you can use the wall. But we will take breathe and relax. Next. Hello everybody, today we will do yoga position and how to stretch your body. So if you're interested in new elements, let's stay with me. Okay, first one which we will do, we'll take one leg more for ourselves and open our hip, preparing for future elements. And when you sit, not do like that. Okay, you open your shoulders, sitting strong and working, trying to push your leg more to the floor. After that, I will try to take my leg for this, take my hands and strong, and when you sit like that, it's not stretch. But when you sitting strong, with strong back, open your shoulders, the starting stretching is this muscles, leg, I don't know how to say, but doesn't matter. Let's try. And try to take feet on yourself, take your feet, and when you stretch, not try do like that, try do with your stomach pushing. It's more harder, but it's right how to do that element. Okay, after that I will take my leg a little bit and my left leg come more. I will take my strong and take seat, moves, and when you feel okay, you can try catch your leg and stretching more like that. Okay, good work. Little bit relax. And next. Hello guys, now I will show you some easy elements which can do all. If you want to see, stay with me. I will show you elements which help you to feel your more better and more strength. Okay, what we will do now? We will get seat. Take our right leg more for ourselves. Take our left hand. Take in elbow and pushing on our right knee. My right hand going more on the back, and I try to take screw my body and stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all help our back. And let's change. I will take my left leg, my right elbow pushing this leg, and I stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this element, we'll get seat in this side, and this is so help if your back pain. It's so cool stretch, and after you feel more relaxed. So what you will do? Important, your right hand pushing your leg, and you start your stretching, and must stretch in this side. Okay, and push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and not forget to on the other side. Push, important, and take away for this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, next element. Hello everybody, they will do this split, and how to do it I will show you. So if you're interested how I do that, stay with me and let's start. First what I will do, I will take my hips, take my elbows and touch in the pushings. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Amazing work. This I will get seat, take 2 legs and take my right leg and pushing in the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5 I will try keep my balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will try take my other hand leg, push my hand on the 4 and trying take strong leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keeping this side and going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and more harder. Pushing the leg. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, take leg back, take our breath, and slowly go down and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, next exercise. Hello everybody, they will do this split. And if you're interested how I do this, stay with me. And in first I will show you so easy elements which do all. And then will be so harder, but let's try with me. First what we'll do, we will push our knees and close, not like that, okay? You try open your hip and take your your knee that under your shoulders. Let's try. 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can try your hand and push your knees more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I try take my feet and pushing on ourselves. I think you can do that, so try it. And 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this element you can do too. So try. Take your leg and push more for yourself. 2, 3, 4, 5. And fix your leg. 1, 2, 3. Small height. And then more harder. How I do this position, I will take my leg, push it more on the head, and take this leg, moved in this element. Amazing work. Slowly relax. So guys, thank you so much that you watched this video. I hope that you like it, write me good comments and follow me. If you want to support my channel, you can send me some donate and I will can do in future more better and beautiful content for you. So thank you. Bye bye.